Here, if here this is some angle is formed here, say theta. Say theta. What is this theta? It is nothing. It is some specified angle. So we name it the theta. Theta is a Greek letter word. So we take here the different ratios. We take here the different ratios. There are six trigonometric ratios in fact. So they have the different names. They have the six different names. First ratio is sine. Sine. S-I-N-E, sine. Sine of theta. Students, remember this. Sine of theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. If we talk about sine of theta, this is perpendicular over hypotenuse. I have already told you that what is perpendicular? It is the side opposite to the angle which is in our consideration. Here theta is in our consideration. Here angle theta is in our consideration. So what is perpendicular? It is the side opposite to the angle. So theta is in our consideration. It is opposite side is AB. So AB is perpendicular. Hypotenuse is AC. So we can find the sine theta. Students, what happened? What you will take? What is the ratio? If we locate theta here, say for some time. So if we locate theta here, then it becomes again sine theta is same ratio. It is perpendicular over hypotenuse. There is nothing new. But I already told you with respect to angle, perpendicular and base gets changed. So here theta is here. I have taken the theta here. So with respect to this angle, what is perpendicular? What is perpendicular? It is the side opposite to the angle which is in our consideration. Here theta is here. So it is opposite side is BC. So here it becomes BC divided by AC. So you have find now with respect to angle, perpendicular ratio changes. Ratio gets changed. Students, there is another ratio cos. Cos of theta. I will locate it here. This is here theta. Cos of theta. Students, cos of theta is base over hypotenuse. Cos of theta is base over hypotenuse. This is your theta. This is your theta. What is base? I have already told you. Base is nothing. It is the side adjacent to the angle which is in our consideration. So here theta is here. Which side is adjacent to this theta? It is students BC. This is BC divided by AC, hypotenuse. So again, if we take the theta here, if we take the theta here at the A's place, at the angle A, so what is base that? It becomes AB divided by AC. I hope you will get it. Next, actually, full form of cos, it is cosine of theta. This is short form. Cos of theta, this is the short form of cosine of the theta. Students, another important ratio is tan of theta. Another important ratio is tan of theta. What is tan? What is the ratio? Which by which side is what is the ratio? Which ratio we called it a tan? It is perpendicular divided by base. So here we have taken the theta here. What is perpendicular? Again, I am repeating it. It is the side perpendicular opposite to the angle which is in our consideration. We are talking about theta. This is opposite side AB and this is your base BC. So can you locate? Can you tell me what if we locate theta here instead of here? If we locate theta here instead of here, so again we can find here tan of theta again. This is AB. This is BC perpendicular divided by base. This is AB. So you should now clearly understand that base and perpendicular changes with respect to angle. So whenever base and perpendicular changes, whenever angle changes, base and perpendicular changes, definitely trigonometrical ratio will also get us changed. So these are the three trigonometrical ratios. These are the three trigonometrical ratios. I hope you will get it. There are now three more trigonometrical ratios. That is the reciprocal of these three ratios. That is the reciprocal of these three ratios. So sine is, I will locate it here. Sine theta is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Cos theta is base over hypotenuse. And tan of theta is perpendicular over base. These are the three trigonometrical ratios. So there is another three ratios which we call the reciprocal ratios. So let us name let us name them. This is again if we If we take the reciprocal of this, it becomes hypotenuse by perpendicular. So we gave it here the another name. It is called the cosec. Cosec of theta. So cosec is the opposite of the sine. So again, here again, if we take the reciprocal of this, it becomes hypotenuse by base. These are the reciprocals. These are the reciprocals. It becomes hypotenuse by base. So it becomes hypotenuse by base. So it is its name is sec of theta. SEC, sec of theta. Actually, its full form is cosecant of theta. Its full form is secant of theta. We name it shortly, briefly, sec of theta. So another here it is tan of theta. Tan of theta. So if we take the reciprocal, it becomes base divided by perpendicular. So we name it another name. This is cot of theta. So students, I hope you all will understand these ratios and understand the basics of these important things. And in the next subsequent lecture, we can also uh, give a detailed lecture to the next important terms, important concepts regarding the trigonometry. Thank you, people.